November of 2012, I learned about how permaculture defines the word resiliency as a term. My view of the world, and ultimately the cosmos, was profoundly affected. This body of work is my attempt to relate a basic understanding of the universe as a permaculture designer and how it relates to resilient permaculture design. During the course of this lecture, permaculture's concepts of nodes and guilds from a resiliency point of view will be explained or redefined as energy systems and/or energy system states of expression. This way, it is easier to see the resource exchanges that are taking place as the energy it is, and that this energy is either in motion or not in motion by being used, transformed, or stored relative to itself and other systems or system states of exchange. Also, there will be a better definition of the cycle of exchange we are all familiar with. You know, the circle with the growth, storage, release, recharge, growth. Here it will be expressed as the infinity symbol on the quadrant. This better illustrates not only the cycle of exchange, but also the eventual exchange cycle of energy through other states of exchanges, revealed as physical fractal dimensions of one another. This infinity symbol on the quadrant will also be built into an easy-to-comprehend map, so navigating these physical fractal dimensions of energy exchange cycles will be possible. Finally, you will be given a fresh perspective, allowing for the view of the universe as a cycle of the flow of energy all around us, through us, that we are an essential part of. To ancient mystics, this would be called life force or chi, with their understanding coming intuitively also from observations over time. The purpose of this exercise of intellect overall is for permaculture's great design potential to be truly realized and maximized by all who live it and practice it. For persons not practicing permaculture, the aim is to provide an established perspective about our unique gift of life with consciousness and our deep connected oneness with the universe that is all our existence overall. Hopefully, this small intellectual input of energy will help with the creation and the establishment of a more resilient, closed-loop, self-managed world with beneficial human energy system states co-creating the harmonious balance.